What's going on, everybody? Rob here. I know I do a lot of shorts or whatever now because shorts are the thing. Shorts are the thing now. Nobody has the mentality to watch a regular video. No, I got some more projects coming up. I'm gonna be doing. I'm making a thing for my worm bin, so that this way I gotta excrete the dirt from the worm bin, and then we're gonna see all the worm wigglers that I got. But this is about Costco chicken wing, mushrooms and bologna. Tastes like macaroni. Look at this. 10 boneless pork loin. 10 pounds of boneless pork loin. Look at it. It says, what is that? $20. $20. It's at Costco right now. 10 pounds of boneless pork loin. It wasn't $20. Where's the thing at? There was $4 off. We paid $16 for this 10 pounds of boneless pork loin. They said, well, Rob, what are you going to do with 10 pounds of boneless pork loin? Do you hear that? What are you going to do with that? My wife's like checking around like, what the hell are you slapping? This right here, sometimes I prefer not to eat carbs. I normally don't eat sides in the morning time. I'll have just steak and eggs, no bread, no nothing. So with this 10 pounds of boneless pork loin, I'm going to cut into pork loin strips. A whole bunch of pork loin strips before I freeze it. Then you can control how thick you want your pork loin strips. So either way, this is 10 pounds of boneless pork loin that was $20 that we got for $14 at Costco. One more thing I wanted to show you what I always buy when I go to Costco. This is why I was singing chicken wing. These are chicken thighs, and they have chicken wings. They're shrink wrapped in these little frozen things. Now let me tell you, when these are solid frozen, if you hit your fingers or smash your fingers, it hurts so bad. But this right here, so these are all chicken thighs, and there's probably 3 or 4 thighs per package, but then you could cut them off individually. So this right here was $18 for all these chicken thighs at Costco. $18. I don't got my bifocals on, so I'm trying to see it per pound. $1.49 per pound for the chicken thighs for all these. So it's $18. But that pork tenderloin, I was so stoked when I seen it. Either way, go to Costco right now. The boneless pork tenderloin is on sale. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.